Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. So, is the DJI Osmo Action 4 still worth it? In this video, I'll reveal all the details about the camera, show you some sample photos and videos, and in the end, we'll see whether the Action 4 is still a good choice or if it's better to go for the latest generation, the DJI Osmo Action 5. Here you can see the Action 4 with the included battery, the protective case, and the SSD. The SSD is not included. The camera looks almost identical to the Action 3, featuring a rugged and compact design. It comes in a sleek black finish, has a body that is waterproof up to 18 meters without an additional case, and includes a magnetic quick-release system, which is super convenient. Let's talk about image and video quality. The camera features a 1/1.3-inch sensor, which is larger than most action cams, meaning it has better low-light performance. The footage you see in the background was recorded around 6 p.m., and without any additional accessories, I simply placed the camera on the dashboard. Video settings, 4K/16:9 at 30 frames per second, 50 Hz. You can record up to 120 frames per second in 4K, and the ultra-wide field of view extends up to 155 degrees. The camera supports 10-bit D-Log-M, providing more color details and better post-production flexibility. As you can see in the footage, the super stable Rock Steady 3.0 and Horizon Steady are excellent for filming on uneven roads without worrying about shaky footage. The built-in microphone delivers pretty good sound, and external microphones can be easily connected via USB-C or Bluetooth. The camera's 1,770 mAh battery lasts up to 160 minutes and supports ultra-fast charging, reaching 80% in just 18 minutes. If you opt for the Adventure Bundle, you get the battery pack with 2 extra batteries, which is compact and perfect for traveling. Regarding software features, both the front and rear displays are touch-enabled. The rear display is a 2.25-inch screen with a resolution of 326 pixels per inch, which is 360 by 640, and is more than sufficient for an action camera. The front display is 1.4 inches with a resolution of 323 pixels per inch, 320 by 320. Both are LCD touchscreens, unfortunately, not OLED screens yet. The camera is supported by the DJI Mimo app, which offers many customization options for videos and images. Additionally, the app provides live streaming directly from the camera. On top of that, the Osmo Action 4 includes a webcam mode, which can be very useful if you ever need a camera for a meeting that captures more than standard webcams. So, to my conclusion, I've been using the Osmo Action 4 since July 2024, and I am very satisfied with it. The camera has excellent image quality and very good low-light performance. It also has a longer battery life than many competing products from this generation. In my opinion, it has the best stabilization currently available. Plus, the magnetic quick-release system is undoubtedly very practical, especially when switching quickly to vertical recording, without the hassle of screwing and unscrewing mounts. However, there are some drawbacks to mention. No 5.3K video recording, unlike the GoPro Hero 12, this is a personal preference. No built-in GPS functionality. The software could be more intuitive, similar to the Insta360 cameras. Who should buy it? If you want to film in low light, need long battery life, and prefer a practical mounting system, the Osmo Action 4 is an excellent choice. Currently, the Adventure Combo is available on Amazon for $329, while the standard version costs $229. The best price-performance ratio in action cameras right now. If you're willing to spend a bit more and want higher megapixel resolution for photos, I'd recommend the Osmo Action 5, which starts at $339 on Amazon. The new Osmo Action 5 offers 240-minute recording time, waterproof up to 20 meters without a case, a larger 1,950 mAh battery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and share your thoughts on the camera. Would you choose this model, or would you rather go for the newer version? Also, what topic would you like to see in the next video? All product links can be found below in the video description. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Sunday, your Alexander.